Hey, how you doing? I'm gonna show you this project right here. So really nice project. Assembly a gazebo right here. Okay. Before everything was mess on backyard, but the guy came in and put a pavement right here. At the middle one here gonna be a kitchen. All applies gonna come in, and then we're gonna assemble a gazebo to cover all kitchen. Okay, that's the gazebo part, and that spot right here, that's gonna be a jacuzzi. Okay, electrical parts right there already done. So a jacuzzi gonna go here, but also gonna be another gazebo to cover only a jacuzzi. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna assemble that gazebo here. I'm gonna show you step by step, not too much, because it's just an overview to give you some ideas what you can do in your backyard. Okay, it's really small backyard, but it's gonna be pretty nice set. Take a look here. I highly recommend you follow book instruction step by step. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much you're gonna assemble that gazebo right here. Next gonna be right here, like I said, jacuzzi, everything already done, like electrical parts, plumbing parts. Okay, appliance gonna goes here, all that part here, the roof parts. So the structure for the roof, we did assembly at the floor right here before we hook it up. So right now we got half roof done. We're gonna do that part here and that part here, right? Yeah, you see right there.